ChatGPT, IBM Watson, and Ken Jennings enter a trivia game. Who do you think will win? The answer might shock you.
Nice.
There's been so much buzz about ChatGPT since its debut. People are constantly debating what it does well and where it falls short. But if you do a quick search, you'll find analyst examples of its failures. Some funny, others frustrating. There's even talk about whether ChatGPT is getting worse over time. But is that really true? I decided to dive in and test some of these failure cases people have shared. To my surprise, ChatGPT, at least GPT 4.0, handled many of them really well. But here's the thing. Despite all its advancements, there's one area where ChatGPT is still surprisingly bad. The most surprising failure of ChatGPT, in my opinion, is factuality. Yes, you heard that right. Even with all its training on vast amounts of data, ChatGPT still struggles to provide accurate answers to simple factual questions. Here's the kicker. OpenAI recently proposed a new benchmark called Simple QA. It's designed to test how well models can answer straightforward questions with short, definitive answers. And guess what? Even their latest and greatest model is struggling with it. What's even crazier is that other models perform even worse. Now, this is really surprising for a few reasons. First, most of these answers should be in the training data. We're talking about facts from sources like Wikipedia, information that's well documented and widely available. So why is ChatGPT doing so poorly? Let me share my thoughts on why this might be happening. But before that, let's take a look at Simple QA to get a sense of what those questions look like. Simple QA is a benchmark with strict requirements to test factual accuracy. Here are the key characteristics that make it unique. First, there must be a single answer. The benchmark ensures that each question has only one correct answer, leaving no room for ambiguity. Second, reference answers should not change over time. Okay, so the answers are designed to remain consistent, so changes in real-world data don't affect the benchmark's reliability. Third, reference answers must be supported by evidence. Every answer must be backed by a credible source, ensuring the benchmark is grounded in verifiable information. 4, must be challenging. These questions are carefully crafted to test the precision and reasoning capabilities of ChatGPT. 5, the question must be answerable as of 2023. This ensures that all questions are relevant and within the scope of recent knowledge. Now let's take a look at a few examples. I feel that these questions might be tricky for people to answer off the top of their heads, but they should be easy to solve by simply Googling and matching the keywords ourselves. So why is ChatGPT struggling? Let me share my thoughts. First, precision requirements are high. The Simple QA benchmark requires models to provide short, definitive answers that might sound easy, but it's actually really challenging. Precision becomes critical. There is no room for vague or slightly off responses here. Second, calibration is difficult. Calibration, or whether language models know what they know, is difficult. ChatGPT sometimes struggles to gauge its confidence. It might present incorrect information as if it's absolutely true. And this overconfidence can be a big problem, especially for factual questions. Number 3, training data limitations. Even though the training data is vast, it's not perfect. Some facts may be outdated, misrepresented, or simply missing from the training corpus. So why does it matter? This issue of factuality highlights a bigger challenge in AI development. It's not just about having a lot of data, it's also about using it effectively. As users, we need to stay cautious and double-check any critical information we get from AI models like ChatGPT. At the same time, it's fascinating to see how far we've come and how much room there still is for improvement. Benchmarks like Simple QA push the boundaries and help us understand where the gaps are. Hopefully, these challenges will lead to even better models in the future. Alright, so what do you think? Have you ever experienced ChatGPT giving you a completely wrong answer to a simple question? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy this video, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more machine learning tips and career advice. Comment below if you have questions or want me to cover a specific topic next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.